Hello. Today all about honeybees. Did you know this little fascinating insect are there on the earth since 130 million years ago? Have you ever thought what would happen if there wouldn't be honeybees on earth? They are the very important pollinators. Honeybees help in pollination of seeds, flowers, fruits, vegetables, and plants. 35% of pollination caused by insects is done by the honeybees. So they play a very important role of balancing ecosystem. The biodiversity will be in danger if there is no honeybees on the earth. There wouldn't be such a wide variety of plants, flowers, fruits and vegetables and crops, seeds without this creature. The productivity of the food crops would be less. Thousands of animals, birds and humans, we all are dependent on plants. So directly and indirectly we all are dependent on honeybees. Not only for honey, but for many other food sources. Honey has glucose and fructose in it. Honeybees make the honey for their own to increase their own species. Pollination is due to this little creature. So they are our friends. They are important in the food chain to balance the ecosystem. They are our friend. They travel very long. They visit 50 to 100 flowers per day to suck the nectar of the flowers and the pollen grains. Pollen has protein that's very important for their survival. Honeybee Honeybees are the natural architect. They use hexagonal shape for their beehive, for their honeycomb. As it is a very strong shape and it can store more amount of honey by using the maximum space of the available area. All the sides of the shape can be used for making the beehive. Their population is declined due to the pesticides, due to the climate change and due to habitat loss, due to the less number of flowers and plants. Have to conserve these bees. There are number of tomatoes, watermelon and all these products are available due to the honeybees pollination. Have to conserve the bees, grow more bee friendly flowers, keep water source for bees in your garden. Buy organic food where pesticides are not used. Do not use pesticide for your own garden. Spread the awareness. Have gratitude for this little creature. We can grow mogro, daisy, sunflower, all these trees, all these plants. Thank you so much. This is Purvi, Earth Matters Group.